Hello friends, welcome to my second video. In this video, we are going to install VMware Workstation step by step. So guys, let's start the installation. I hope you all have already downloaded the setup. If not, please open your browser and paste the link. Here you can download VMware Workstation Pro. Just click on go to download. You will see the version. Just select any of the version. I have selected the first one. You can also see here the size 621.55 MB and file type exe. Just click on download. So guys, I have already downloaded the setup. So let me show you how we can install the setup. So here I have downloaded. Just double click on the setup. Click yes to allow in your laptop. Now you have to click next. You have to accept the licenses as well. So just check I accept the term in the license agreement. Click next. Select typical one. See, this is the default path. It will save this setup in C drive in program file, but I don't want to save here. I want to save in some other drive. So just change the location if you want. I'm just going to set the path. So just see, I have created a folder. So you can select VMware Workstation, whatever the folder you want to create, you can create over here. Just select it, press OK. Now see, it has changed now in D drive server slash VMware Workstation. So now you can download this binary and libraries file of this setup over here. Just click on next. Yes, click next. Next. Yes, I want this setup on my desktop as well. So just click next and it will start downloading the setup. Now click on continue. So guys, it will install the setup. So guys, let me explain you about VMware Workstation till this package get installed. So whatever we are doing, I have captured here in PPT. So we are trying to install VMware Workstation on our laptop, which is having Windows operating system, right? Friends, you must have a question. Why we are installing the VMware Workstation? So the answer is we cannot install various operating system on a physical machine or any laptop until you don't have any hypervisor. Here VMware Workstation is a hypervisor which is type 2 hypervisor. Don't worry, I will explain you in my next video what is type 1 and type 2 hypervisor and why it is used. So this will explain you in my next video where we will install EXXI server. So for now, just see the exact use cases which I captured in this PPT. You can see the first use case. VMware Workstation will enable users to set up a virtual machine. Now this VMware Workstation will help you to set up multiple operating system. Here I'm using Linux Server 1, Linux Server 2 and Windows Server. And the second use case, VMware Workstation control the resource allocation within the VMs, right? So it will also help your virtual machine to provide CPU, RAM, hard disk and NIC which is required at the time of installing the Linux server. So it will take from your laptop what the resource is having and how much resource you want to give to this virtual machine. So number of CPU, uh, amount of memories and hard disk and network interface card which will help you for networking purpose. So guys, third test cases, you can see VMware Workstation help you to take virtual machine snapshots. So a snapshot will save the server state so that you can restore your VM in case if anything happen wrong while working in the virtual machine. So You can also create multiple cloning of this VM as well. So this is the fourth use cases we can see here. VMware Workstation help in virtual machine VM cloning. So guys, let's go back and see whether your setup installed or not. Yes, see, setup wizard completed. So now click on finish. Now open the setup. Now you can see, let me maximize it. So you have this setup and you can able to set up multiple virtual machine over here. So you can install any virtual machine. Just see the icon, just click over here and now it will ask you, just you have to click and provide the ISO and all other resources like CPU, hard disk and all, which I showed you in the PPT. One more thing I want to show you guys, if you go in edit, this is very important, right? You just click on the virtual network editor, click yes, so it will load the network configuration. So guys, you can see here three networking: first bridge, second host only, and third VM NAT 8, that is NAT. These are the type of network editor you can say. So it will help you to set up your virtual machine which you want to take for IP addressing, and it will also contain the range of subnet marks. You can use this IP to your virtual machine. If you want to, like if you want to set up a virtual machine by using this VMNet 8 adapter, that is NAT, you can take 192.168.217.0 range of IP addresses. So that's all I want to explain you. Here you learned how to install this setup. So guys, in my next video, we will install virtual machine using CentOS or 7 or 8, whatever you want, you can use, and we will install our Linux server. So guys, one more thing, I have already provided the link to the to download the ISO image in my description box. Friends, if anyone new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.